Hello everyone, this is Sochi from the Brazos Valley Food Bank. Today we are going to be making a grilled chicken wrap on a whole wheat tortilla with cherry tomatoes and honey Dijon mustard on the side. Here is a flash of our ingredients. I'm going to start with my kale. I've already rinsed it with cold water. I'm using a knife to remove the stems as well as the spine along this side. Then I'm going to chop it into smaller pieces for my wrap. As you can see, I'm gonna have a lot of leftover, but it's super easy to incorporate into other dinner dishes as well as for salads throughout the week to really start to increase our vegetables intake for throughout the week. And don't forget to use separate cutting boards and knives when we move on to raw chicken. We want to prevent that cross-contamination. Chicken is already a low-fat option, but it's really high in protein, which is really good to keep us full throughout the day. I am seasoning my chicken with garlic powder, and I'm also going to be using salt. I really like to use my fingers to spread it evenly along both sides to make sure that I don't use more than I need, but you're welcome to use any other kind of seasonings that you have at home and that you really enjoy. I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil on a skillet over medium-high heat. I went ahead and put all of my chicken on the skillet at once. It didn't take that long to cook, but with chicken, we want to make sure that it cooks evenly at both sides, that there is no pink anywhere, that it's white all the way through. Here we can see that it's already getting like a really nice grilled chicken texture. It was really good, and it didn't take that long, especially because it was already pre-cut into pieces. Here I'm starting to put my wrap together. I'm using low-fat cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese that you want. I'm then going to slice my chicken into smaller pieces. What I really love about this recipe is that it's really customizable. You can add any other vegetables that you have at home or that you really enjoy. You can change it to your liking. You can make it vegetarian friendly if you want to use black beans instead of chicken. Or if you have canned tuna or canned chicken, that also works really well, and it's a great option to try at home with your family and with your kids. I'm also going to be using spinach apart from my kale. They're both really great affordable options, really high in calcium, antioxidants, and iron. And I really like to pack them on there to try to get in as many veggies as I can, and you hardly notice that they're there. But if you want it like a more crunchy texture, you could also use red pepper or shredded carrots or even mushrooms if you really wanted to experiment. As you can see, I'm really wrapping everything together, and then I'm going to cut it in half. It just makes it a lot easier to eat. And here you can see all of it inside. It looks really good, and it was really good. I'm using my cherry tomatoes on the side, and then I'm going to add the honey Dijon mustard on the side, but you're welcome to use any other dressing that you really enjoy. This was a really fun recipe. Thank you for watching.